In this video, we're going to share with you how children's mathematical skills develop in the early years. So I'm going to get Wipey to help me with just a simple counting exercise. Wipey, can you take out a scoop of teddies for me out of the tub? A big scoop. Oh. Okay, maybe we'll fill enough. One thing that helps with your children's number sense is to give them an idea of estimating. So I'm going to ask Wipey if she can estimate, if she can guess, have a guess at how many teddies, Wipey, do you think there might be in that cup?
30.
About 30. About 30? Okay. Can you tip them out on the table and show us how many there are? Okay. So Wipey's estimated about 30. Could you count them for me, Wipey?
Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Very good, very good. Now, Wipey's a very capable counter, so she was able to count those easily. What you perhaps might find more easier is to make sure the child moves the counters right away from the group. So rather than just moving them a short way where they might lose sense of what they've already counted, get them to move them right away from the main group of counters so that they're not mixing them up, so they're more accurate in that way. You could also get them to put them in twos or to put them in two lines. That would help as well. So when your child first learns to count, they often rote count, so they can count, and parents are very proud when their children can count up to 20 or 30 or 40 or 100. But the next step in that process is to make sure that they can count a collection. So some children will come along and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you'll know that they're not counting one-to-one, what we call one-to-one correspondence. So they're counting in their head in a rote fashion, but they're not counting a collection. So it's really important, as well as being very proud of their rote counting, to get them to count collections. And they can count spoons to put on the table. You can get them to help you set the table. You can count cups to put out for drinks. You can count shoes in a cupboard. There are lots of things around the house that they can count. You can count tyres on a car. You can count how many lollies in a jar. You can count lots of things in the house. So there's lots of opportunities around. So there are many opportunities to develop your child's early math skills.